Hello friends, welcome to our channel Wow Blockchain. So today we are going to start our channel with the first video and we are going to explain few terms that we should know before we start learning blockchain technology. So the terms and that related topics what we are going to discuss is today is DLT, distributed ledger technology, smart contract, block, and we will give a short description of blockchain technology in this tutorial. So we are starting with DLT now. So distributed ledger technology, it's actually includes blockchain technology and smart contracts both together. Actually, distributed ledger is a data structure which resides in the multiple computer device and spread across multiple regions and locations. Smart contracts. You can see the name smart contract. So, smart contracts are a computer program that executes the predefined actions when certain conditions met with the system. So basically smart contracts decides in between that two party which are included in that blockchain system, and actually it's create the transaction and that transactions create the block. So the main thing of blockchain technology, this is called block. We can see one block has four basic property. The first one is the reference of the previous block. Second one is the proof of work, that is also known as nonce. The third one is timestamp, and the fourth one is the Marklet tree root for the transaction included in this block. So basically Marklet tree is a binary hash tree. It is a anti-tamper mechanism to ensure that the dataset has not been changed in the block. So Marklet tree has a big role in it. So if you see in the blockchain technology, we have distributed ledger technology, means that computers spread across the multiple region and location. So how the data, how the block are synced up. So the process of blockchain syncing up have to do with the concept of consensus. A consensus is an agreement among the network peers, and each computer has exact copy of the blockchain throughout the network, and this is maintained by that consensus only. Finally, we came to the end of that tutorial, and we are just giving a short description of blockchain. Later we discuss about details each and everything in the next tutorial. So what is blockchain? Blockchain is a peer-to-peer distributed ledger forged with consensus combined with a system for smart contracts and assistive technology. So if you see all the terms used here like distributed ledger, consensus, and the smart contracts, we already discussed before, and I think we can end this session here, and in the next video we are going to elaborate all those things very deeply, and hope this tutorial will help you to understand the prerequisite terms we need to know before we start with blockchain technology. Thank you. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, please comment on our channel on this video, that I can share my knowledge with you, and I can answer your question that will help me and you also to enlarge the knowledge about the blockchain technology. Thank you. Thank you very much.